Hey guys, welcome to Artistic Eye by Nanisha. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Today's video is regarding how I repaired the damaged puja thali. This is the puja thali that is damaged and I made it like this. So let's see. So this was the original puja thali, half and half puja thali with brown and gold flakes. So in the original puja thali, I attached the vatis with UV resin and Ganpati with UV resin and everything with UV resin. Now it came off due to extreme heat conditions as it was packed as I was shifting my house. So it came off. Now I am gonna change it. So I'm giving a blowtorch here and heating up the UV resin so that I can scrape it off. I'm using a scale because I couldn't find anything else, but there is a scraper that you can use. Also you can sand it if you want to. So I'm gonna scrape the puja thali until I'm satisfied. This goes on for a while. I scrape everything, every UV resin particle out of it, and I'm just going to fast forward that part. So once I'm happy with the scraping and I'm satisfied that everything has come off, I'm now going to accessorize the plate with a few new accessories like the diya vati and a golden plate to place the diya vati on. And I'm going to keep it simple and not exaggerate it much because I want the original design of the plate to come out nicely. I'm also planning on putting a few beads, that is these are golden motis that you get. So at first I thought of putting them on the gold flake part of the half and half thali, but now you'll see at the end that I have put it all over the thali plate, and I was just testing it out and I really like it on both the sides, and that is why I'm just gonna put it all round. Now that I'm sure of what I want the thali to look, I have just fixed the accessory with a little fevicol so that it doesn't move, and now I'm going to pour a fresh coat of resin on it. I have used 2:1 resin to coat the puja thali on top of it, and patiently going to spread it towards the edges and make sure that it doesn't fall over the edges. So enjoy the process. Now that the resin has been completely spread to the puja thali and the thali is covered with fresh resin, we are going to place the golden beads one by one on the edges of the thali. It is a long and slow process. You have to patiently put one bead at a time, and place it where you want exactly, and I'm going to speed up this process for you. So enjoy the video. Isn't it looking really nice? Only the half part of the thali is covered, yet it's looking so beautiful. So now let's wait and complete the puja thali with the beads on the remaining half. And the thali is almost complete and ready to cure. The resin is kind of hard, thickening, not hard, just thickening. Just a few golden beads here and there where I think there is space. I'm going to put them and adjust the remaining beads. Now that the beads are placed, I'm going to put a little extra resin on top, not on the beads but on a few blind spots that I think need a little more resin. And once that's done, our thali is ready. I hope you like the video, and like, share, subscribe, comment. After 24 hours, here's the final look. It's pretty, and thank you for watching. Thank you for staying till the end. Bye bye.